Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back. Today is Friday, March 14th. The S&P 500 was up 2%, Dow Jones was up 1.65%, NASDAQ 2.6%, and New York Stock Exchange 1.89%. So, nice green day across the board. The Congress in the United States decided that they can work together and actually do their jobs for a day. So that resulted in some positive returns for all of us, which was nice, especially after the last few weeks, to be able to make up some of those returns. In terms of our top strategies for the week, it looks like we ended with expected return being on top, with anywhere from about 12 to 30 stocks in the portfolio performing the best. So that's really just indicating a shift towards growth stocks this week, which just hopefully is an indicator that maybe we're at the bottom. I think there's still some, political posturing that's going to happen here with some of this trade nonsense, but we'll get through it. We'll be fine. And overall, it looks like, at least from the money standpoint, that they're moving back into growth. So hopefully that bodes well for the rest of this month. In terms of highest volume, you see a lot of the usual suspects on there: NVIDIA Corporation, Palantir, Tesla, and then Sun Nation Energy up there on top. Sun Nation did have a 64% gain for the day. There was also Bond Natural Life at 85%, as well Purple Innovations, the Purple mattress company. They experienced almost a 36% gain, and then you had Gorilla Technologies, the Gorilla Glue folks, experiencing about a 31% gain on the day. And then in terms of some of the largest losses, yesterday we mentioned that Saks Parente Golf, they're down again today, another 28%. We talked about some of the variability associated with some of these stocks on these lists, and also, a little bit about identification of stocks for short selling, which is not something I coach, but I just did briefly talk about it a little bit in yesterday's episode. Let's take a look at our trends and see how our portfolio did for today. So we came in with a 4.14% return to the S&P 500's return of 2.13%. So a nice gain on the day. I took a look at the portfolio and it was green positions across the board. Again, if you tuned in yesterday, we were red in every single position. So kind of a nice reprieve for the day. And in terms of what we're looking for here, I think the rebalance that we did earlier this week has, for the most part, worked pretty well. We've gone from a return that is very similar to the S&P 500. We've been able to break away a little bit this week and make some gains. We'll see if we can hold on to those gains in the next few weeks. But at least it feels pretty good that we're in the positive, we're moving in the right direction, and so is the market, at least in the latter half of the week. We had two out of 3 days, the back half of this week, were green, so that's nice. All right, in terms of everything else, I really didn't have any other topics for today. It's Friday. It's nice outside. I spent most of my day outside. I hope it was nice in your area. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to post the link to a video right up here. It's the top 5 biggest mistakes made by new investors. All right, everyone, have a great night and enjoy your weekend. I'll see you all Monday. Take care. Like and follow for more investing tips. Let's grow your money together.